Today I will be teaching you how to use Perplexity AI in WhatsApp. So you do have a dedicated integration of WhatsApp for Perplexity AI. So if you simply head over to a browser of your choice and they're going to be searching for Perplexity, you can see for WhatsApp and how you can basically use it. You can see we have scheduling system for Perplexity. So you can see if you want direct messaging, we have official site for that. You can see try Perplexity on WhatsApp, and it is available on chat system. So for that, you're going to be scanning this QR code, and you can see it's going to be showing up something like this. You can take a screenshot of this. I'm going to be pausing here for a moment so you can don't even need to head over to the actual site. You can see simply take a screenshot of it on your cell phone, go to your QR code scanning option, and from there choose from your library and simply do it. Or you can, if you're watching on a laptop or PC, you can directly do that. Simply scan this and you will get it onto your device. If you want it on Telegram, we have that as well. We have it on X as well. So we get 3-in-1 in this video, and I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more and see you guys in the next video.